Welcome back to B Wang Academy, the chemistry behind cosmetology. I am Master Educator Bryce Herron, and in this lesson, we will demonstrate the NIC standards for content domain number 10, blood exposure, also known as an incident exposure. A blood exposure is contact with non-tact broken skin, blood, body fluid, or infectious materials resulting from the practitioner's duties. Therefore, our learning outcomes are to complete an exposure incident within 10 minutes. We have to demonstrate the principles of prevention for infection control after an exposure incident has happened. But we demonstrate proper use of EPA registered products to complete an incident exposure. As Jerry Smith says, do not learn safety by accident, so let's start protecting. To begin an incident exposure, let's identify the materials, implements, and equipment needed to complete an incident exposure. And they are antibacterial ointment, antiseptic wipes, adhesive bandages, cotton swabs, disposable gloves, a sharps box, which is optional, and finally trash bag systems for disposing of all items. Please stop all services immediately. An incident exposure has occurred on the left index finger. Please protect you and your client by sanitizing with an EPA registered hand sanitizer and put a glove on the injured hand. Remember, do not touch the head of the nozzle. Now, let's remove all materials and supplies from the first aid kit, which are the antiseptic wipes, the antibacterial ointment, the adhesive bandages, and the cotton swab. Now place the glove in the trash bag system and sanitize your hands again. Clean the injured index finger with an antiseptic wipe. Once complete, apply the antibacterial ointment with a cotton swab. Never touch the head of the nozzle. Once you have cleaned the area, now let's dress it with the adhesive bandages. Take your time. You got enough time because they will tell you when you have 5 minutes remaining. Now that you have applied the adhesive bandage, sanitize your hands and cover the injured hand with a glove once again. Now dispose of all used materials and supplies in the trash bag system. Then sanitize your hands with the gloves on using the EPA registered hand sanitizer. You have completed an incident exposure within a lot of time. See you next time.